तो माइक कहाँ रे? तो माइक कहाँ है? ऑन करना। ऑन कर माइक।
হ্যাঁ, বলো। হ্যাঁ, করে দিন। মাইক কি টার্ন অন করবো? ঠিক আছে। করে দিয়েছেন, হ্যাঁ, জি।
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Inquisitive. And all of you are requested to turn on your camera and turn off your mic so that any kind of noise cannot affect our program. And I will request you to hold some patience. Our event will start soon. ওকে রিজু
হ্যাঁ
স্টার্ট করে দে।
ওকে
আর শোন, হ্যালো হ্যালো হ্যালো, রিজু স্টার্ট করার আগে
বল
ওই ক্যামেরা অন করে রাখার অ্যানাউন্সমেন্ট আরেকবার দিয়ে দিস।
Oh, guys, just before we start, keep your cameras on cause necessary things, and just keep the cameras on, okay? Otherwise, most of you, like those who are not keeping the cameras on, might get disqualified. Also, am I audible to everyone, right? I'm audible to everyone, right? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay. So with this, let us start the quiz. Okay. Now before wait, people are joining, so okay, people are still joining. Okay. Before we start the quiz, I want all of you to take a piece of paper or a copy or anything that you have that you can write down the answers with, and number down from 1 to 15. And mark question number 3, 6, 10 and 14 as star marks. Those are star mark questions which will be used to resolve the ties. This star mark questions, if you attempt them, you need to think twice before you attempt those, cause these star mark questions, if you get them wrong, you will be penalized for 5 points. That means 5 points will be deducted, you will get a -5, and if you get the answers correct, you will get it you will get 15 for that. That is +5. All the other questions except the star marks carry 10 points. So question number 1, 2, 4, 5, these are all 10 mark questions. Only the star mark questions 3, 6, 10 and 14, I repeat, 3, 6, 10 and 14. Yeah, also guys, like send me the team name, okay, instead. Yeah, thank you. Like ping me up and it will be like we can send you, like we will receive the answers from you guys. So like
রিজু
where was
একবার
it?
থামাচ্ছি,
হ্যাঁ বল।
বলছে তো ক্যাপ্টেনদের শুধু ওটা করতে বলে দিবি কাল।
হ্যাঁ, only captains guys, only captains, no one else. Just I only request the captains to ping me up in the number given, and like cause I'll be receiving the answer scripts from those particular numbers that I get right now. So before we start the quiz, I want you guys just to ping me up in my number, that is 8777079536, and give me your team name. Just ping me up with your team name. So, and also I repeat, mark down 3, 6, 10 and 14. These are the 4 important questions. If you get them wrong, you'll be getting -5. If you get them right, you'll be getting 15. I hope it's like clear to everyone, right? If you guys have any other questions, just ask me right now. And we will start as soon as I have like every team has pinged me up. Okay, I got from RX100, 3 Mines, Blitz, Cocaine. Nice name, nice choice. Sad one, but yeah. Okay, 14 says 5 the trio. Kolkata Warriors. Hey, it's okay, the spell.
Can you repeat the number once again?
That is 3, 6, 10, and 14.
No, your number.
Oh, my number 87707
87707
9536.
9536 87707
9536.
Okay.
It's already on the screen. Wizards. Okay. So I got confirmation from Team Cocaine, Shubhadeep, Team Kolkata Warriors, Team Wizards, Team The Trio, RX100, 3 Mines, Blitz. I think one last team left. Team SIT. I think these are all the 8 teams, right? Peto. SIT, Quizzes, Cocaine, Trio, RX100, 3 Mines, Blitz.
একটা টিম থেকে পেয়ে গেছিস রিজু?
হ্যাঁ
একটা টিম থেকে পেয়ে গেছিস তো?
হ্যাঁ 8টা টিম। আর আমাকে নামগুলো কনফার্ম করে বলতো। ব্লিটস আছে একটা।
হ্যাঁ, ওটা একটু বেরাকে বলতে বল, বেরা একটু বল ওটা।
বেরা ভাই
আরেকবার বল কি
আচ্ছা।
কোনটা আরেকবার বল।
টিম ব্লিটস থেকে এসছে 3 মাইন্ড,
হ্যাঁ,
RX100,
হুম
ট্রাইও,
হুম
কোকেন,
হুম
কলকাতা ওয়ারিয়র্স,
হুম
কুইজার্স,
হুম
SIT।
হুম
এই 8টাই টিম, তাই তো?
হুম হুম
স্টার্ট করি।
স্টার্ট করে দে।
Okay guys, like before we start we will be going, like you don't have to shout like to repeat the questions or something like that. We will be going from 1 to 15, and as soon as I like finish the 15th question, I will again repeat back from 15 to 1. After the all the questions has been repeated to those who have pinged me up right now, I want them to like send me the answer sheets to the to my number, nothing else, and you will getting max 2 to 3 minutes for sending me those answers, and after that given time I won't be receiving any more answer sheets, and after I finished receiving all the answer sheets, I will declare all the answers to the questions that's in another slide. So thank you for joining, and let's start. Okay, do not Google search. That's a simple thing. Just do not Google search. Okay, the first question. This guy is a famous person. Like, it's pretty easy because it was recently on the newspaper, and the netizens got crazy with his picture. I just want to know who this person is. I will just give a few seconds for you to look at your computer and see to identify this person. I just want his name. Also remember to write the perfect, like write the correct answers to that what do you call the question numbers. Do not jumble up the question numbers. So this is question number 1. Identify this person. Okay, I'm moving on to the next slide. Is it okay with everyone? Okay, I'm moving on to the next slide. Okay, this is the picture of a bike. I want to know who is the co-founder of this motorcycle company, who is also one of the most beloved Hollywood actor. Like, he is loved by everyone, literally everyone. Nobody can find a single bad thing about him. He's just loved by everyone. Everyone loves him, and he loves motorcycles too, and he owns a company. I just want his name. Shall I move to the next slide? হ্যাঁ আমার আওয়াজ আসছে তো?
হ্যাঁ আসছে আসছে
Okay, this is a big question. I will give you some time to read it, but before you read that thing, let me explain it to you. Now, I'm talking about a concept. Okay, this concept came to a Swiss engineer. I don't want his name. I just want, like, this concept came to a Swiss engineer one day when he was returning after hunting trip with his dog in the Alps. He took close look at the burst of a bird dog. It's like a plant thing that is like has lot of what do you call those thorns in it, and when you look at it perfectly, you will see that these things had something like hook-like structures in the thorns that uh, got clinged up with other loop-like structure in clothing or animal fur or hair. So this thing easily could stick to anything or any surface that had loops, that has loopy surface to that. Now this thing, that the hooks clinging to the loops, and they are like, they get attached to each other. He used this concept to make a product. That product, like, it took 10 years after getting this concept. It took him 10 years to actually manufacture that product. What is the product I'm talking about? It's widely used in many things, and like most of like us using in our clothing and stuff. What is the product? I just need the name of the product. I will give some time for you to read the question again. Okay, I'm going to the next question. Okay, this is a big question. It is actually, I will describe a situation that happened in the 1990 FIFA World Cup qualifier. In this, Roberto Rojas was a goalkeeper from Chile. Okay, so when Chile was losing 1-0, Chile would have been eliminated from the World Cup. So around the 70th minute, Rojas fell down. Like, he was injured. He was holding his forehead. He was bleeding real bad. It is said that a firework was thrown at him by a Brazilian fan who was like at that time like using fireworks, and that firework somehow injured Rojas. So naturally, Rojas was taken out from the field, and the Chile players refused that it is not safe for us to play, so we won't play. So the match got dismissed. But later it was found in a video evidence, and after looking at the video evidence, Chile was banned. Like, they was banned from the World Cup qualifiers. Also, they were banned from 1994 World Cup as well. They won't be able to play the two World Cups, FIFA World Cups back to back. And Rojas was banned permanently, along with his coach and the team doctor. Now, what was in that video? What led Rojas to get permanently banned from FIFA and like destroyed his career, and Chile couldn't play two FIFA World Cups back to back? I want exact answer to this question. Like, exact, what happened? What did they see? I'll give you some time to read this question and we can move on to them. Okay, I'm moving to the next question.
You need a general answer,
Huh?
not very specific. You need a
Uh, I
generic answer.
want I want to know what exactly they saw. Like there was something that happened, right? Like
Okay.
you can easily say that the answer in a generalized way, but that is not what I want. Like I want to know how what he did, how he did that. Like how he
Okay.
did that. I want like there's a specific thing he did, right? So I'm moving to the next question. This is a mythical creature, and I just want you guys to identify this creature and write down his mythical name that he's well known for. It's a pretty easy question. Okay, I'm moving to the next question. Okay, now X is a strategy board game for two players. So only two players can X play in X, and X is an 8 into 8 uncheckered box board. It was invented in 1883, and it has 64 identical game pieces called discs. Now this disc has two sides, one with a darker color, one with a lighter color. So generally it's black and white on the both sides, like one on black and one side. Later, this particular board game, was patented by was tweaked a bit. Like they made some few changes in the board game or how you play that game, and patented by the Japanese people, and which was widely used later in the international tournaments, and it became quite famous. Now, it is a bit controversial because the Japanese people, the person who actually like patented the new game, the modern version of this game, he named the game after a play written by Shakespeare. So I do not want the name of the modern game or what play of Shakespeare did they use for the name. I want to know the original name of this board game which got modernized and it was named after a Shakespearean play. I will give you some time to read this question and go through it, and if you have any other questions, you can ask.
আচ্ছা রিজু একটু থামাচ্ছি। আচ্ছা শুভদীপ মিত্র, I am asking you to hold your camera properly. Shubhadeep Mitra, yeah, hold your camera properly.
Okay, I'm moving on to the next question. Now, X was present in the flag of Arjun's chariot. Okay, X was there. Like throughout the whole Mahabharat war, Kurukshetra war, X was there in Arjun's chariot. Now, because of his presence and Lord Krishna's presence, it was said that the chariot was still able to stand despite all the celestial things being attacked at it. The chariot like stood up there just because X and Krishna was there. But as soon as both of them left the chariot turned into ashes. Like it was not there anymore. Because it was supposed to get destroyed way back, but because of their presence, the chariot was still there. I want you guys to tell me who was present in Arjun's chariot. Who was X? Yep. I'm moving on to the next question. Now, this person, X, he was a lieutenant in South Philadelphia, United States Marine. Now, this person went to the Vietnam Wars, and like he was in the Southeast Asia. Now, where his helicopter got shot down by a Viet Cong rocket, and he was like he got caught by them. Now, X met Y. With Y, he escaped from there using Y's new prototype suit for the first time. Y haven't used his new suit before. He used his prototype suit for the first time, and with Y, they both escaped. Now, after the Vietnam War was over, X tried many other works like mercenary, and he did many jobs, but at the end of the day, he finally took Y's offer to become the chief aviation engineer, his personal pilot, and also his friends. Okay. Sorry. Can you guys still see it? Sorry, there was a. I'm sorry for that. So, I want to know who is X. Sorry. Yeah, I want to know who is X. I do not want Y's name. I just want to know who is X, and he escaped with Y. Later became Y's personal pilot, chief aviation engineer, and his closest friends. Now you can give me an actual name or what he's known for. Okay, I'm moving on to the next question. Question number 9. It's a very easy question. People like it. Now, X is a charm that was taught in the first years. Okay, like it was taught in the first years at Hogwarts. Everyone had to learn this. X has its other variation like the rocket charm or the hover charm. Now, out of all these charms, X is said to be the best charm. Like if you use rocket, float, or hover charm, X is said to be the best charm. Ron used this spell like to defeat the troll that Professor Quirrell had led the troll into, and he saved Hermione from the troll. I want to know what charm did Ron use? The charm that was taught in the first years, and it's a very iconic charm. I won't like. It's very easy. Most of you don't need time for this actually. Okay, I'm moving to the next question. This popular eatery was found in Kolkata in 1932. Now, this eatery, they started a popular fast food that is really popular till date in Kolkata. Now, this fast food, like the origins of this fast food has like different theories about it. Some says that the people who used to go to the office commuters, they wanted something quick and portable to eat. And some says that British babus were like so fastidious that they were so hygiene and they wanted to be so clean that they don't wanted to touch the kebabs. They're like we won't touch the kebabs. We don't do that. That's not really British. So they, and just to like satisfy their needs, this eatery Like they've changed the way how you serve a kebab. They had other kebabs too, but they like invented a new way, discovered a new way to serve kebabs to their people. And this method of serving kebabs were monopolized by them for decades. Like they were the only ones who did it. But uh, later down in, like, as the time passed by, like many people, many eateries in Kolkata, many other eateries in Kolkata, they also started to serve their kebabs just like this way, and later it spread everywhere else. Like it is most like most people love eating kebabs this way. I want to know what is the name of the eatery that made this new the fast food, the most beloved fast food, famous. I want to know the name of this eatery who invented this new fast food. People in Kolkata, they really love this one.
বন্ধু থামাচ্ছে একবার।
আমি থেমে আছি।
বলছি শুভদীপ মিত্র যে আছিস একটা ক্যামেরাটা ঠিকঠাক করে হোল্ড কর, ফেস দেখা যাচ্ছে না, কিছু বোঝা যাচ্ছে
কতবার বেচারে তো বলবো।
লাস্ট ওয়ার্নিং এটা।
I'm going to the next question. Now, these are 4 people. I won't say the names, otherwise it will be really easy for you to connect them. I want you guys to identify these people and connect them. I don't need the names. I just want you how each of these people are connected to each other. I'll give you some time to like identify them, and we can. Okay, I'm moving to the next question. I hope everyone's like okay with that. Okay, moving to the next question. Okay, now X is a toy. Okay, people love toys. X was there in the 1990s as well, but it wasn't that famous, or people didn't pay attention to X cause at that time X might not have been the one of the coolest toys that kids want to have. But later in 2017, X became hugely popular. 2017 kids, and like not only kids, even adults, they were totally into X, and they wanted, like, everyone had different collection of X. Now, unlike other skill toys like that we use, like yo-yo and stuff like that, those skill toys, X wasn't that hard to play with. X was really, you can use it without any effort. But the specialty of this toy that made it so famous, and like how it was promoted, that X was said to be like it could relieve nervous energy, anxiety, or psychological stress, or any other neurological disorders like ADHD and autism. Although there was no scientific evidence for their claim that it could cure ADHD or autism. Now, X was hugely popular because it was a anxiety reliever, nervous energy reliever, and stress reliever. What is X? I think tilted people like to use X, although people don't like. See, I have the new version of it and stuff like that. They don't do that anymore. Okay, I'm moving to the next question, guys. Identify this person. It is pretty easy. This is pretty easy. Anyone can answer this. Identify this guy. Okay, moving to the next slide. Now, question number 14. So, according to Mahabharat, like after the war was over, like Gandhari, we all know that Gandhari cursed Krishna that Yadu clan will also like how they were not there, like the Yadu clan will also perish from the earth. So after a fight broke out during the festival, the Yadavs, and they started fighting each other, and many people killed each other. And on one day, like Krishna was saddened by this, so he was resting under the peepal tree. A hunter called Jara, who had mistaken his leg for a deer, shot an arrow. Now, this arrow pierced his feet, and this is said to be the reason for Krishna's death. Okay, someone's trying to join this. Sorry, pardon. Okay, this arrow that pierced Krishna, this was said to be the reason for his death. Now, the Jara is said to be reincarnation of a king that was previously killed by the incarnation of or an avatar of Lord Vishnu in a similar manner. Now, whose reincarnation was Jara? This story was used to like they just to portray the meaning of karma, like what you do comes back to you. So what he did in another life or in another avatar, it came back to Lord Vishnu in his form of Krishna by the hands of Jara. So who was Jara, who was previously slain by one of the avatars of Lord Vishnu in a similar manner? Okay, moving on to the next slide. Now, X is a British multinational confectionery shop or a company. It is said to be the largest or the second largest confectionery brand in this world after Mars, the Mars bars that we eat. In 1824, the the founder, he used to sell coffee or drinking chocolate in Bull Street in Birmingham. Now, in 1875, X manufactured their first Easter egg, and which led them to manufacture the modern Easter eggs. Like they developed the modern chocolate Easter egg after developing a pure cocoa butter that could be molded into different kind of shapes. Name X and its founder. I want the name of the company and the one who founded it. It's a pretty easy question. Everyone will love it. Okay.
भाई रिजू कौशिक है भाई 15 नंबर पार्शियल मार्क्स
हाँ एक बार देखना पड़ेगा.
Thank you.
It's
एंड ब्रो ऑसम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question number 6 was a great question.
Okay, we will still like go for. I will repeat all the questions. Sorry. Okay, I will repeat all the questions. I'm repeating other questions. Okay, again in Mahabharata, Lord Vishnu or Krishna was slain by Jara. Krishna was slain by Jara, and I want to know whose reincarnation was Jara, who was killed by Lord Vishnu's avatar in a similar manner in the previous life. Whose reincarnation was Jara?
हम खाली बाली लिखा है.
अरे माइक ऑन क्यों रखा है? If you're discussing, don't like do it. Okay. Identify this person. I want you to identify this person. This is pretty easy. Okay. Question number 12. Toy. Those were hugely popular, and many people loved that, but it was not that popular in the 1990s because it was not that cool at that time. But in 2017, as it was used as a stress buster or reliever, it got real famous. What is the toy? Question number 11. Connect four of them. Pretty easy. I will give you some time to look at them again and think of an answer. They all are connected somehow. Okay. This is a popular eatery that was found at the time. They found that new way of presenting kebabs. They had to do it in a new way. And this kebab, like the way of presenting this kebab till date, is like loved by most other people all around India as well as outside of India, and they are totally loved by Kolkata people.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes, I'm just asking that can we send it in Word or or I have also written it down in a paper. Which can I do?
it's up to you. Like I would rather suggest you to send me that what do you call the paper you have handwritten.
Okay, okay,
The handwritten one is much more better
okay,
because authenticity, you know.
okay.
Question number 9. X is a charm taught in Hogwarts in his first years. Ron used this charm to defeat that troll. It's a pretty easy question, guys. Moving along to the next question. X is from the South Philadelphia section of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and was a lieutenant in U.S. Marine Corps. Now, he was stranded in Vietnam during the Vietnam War in the jungle because his helicopter got shot down. He escaped with Y using the prototype suit, and X finally took Y's offer and became his pilot and chief aviation engineer and his closest friend. Who is X? X was present in question number 7. X was present in Arjun's chariot. He was there, and because of his existence, that chariot, because of his and Lord Krishna's existence, his chariot didn't got turned into ashes way before. But as soon as they left, the chariot got turned into ashes, and they were like it was in smithereens. There was nothing left of the chariot just because X left. Question number 6 is a pretty not easy question. I'm sorry for that, but now this game was like people used to play this game, and it has like for only two players, 18 to 8 unchecked box. Used disc which had both black and white side on opposite sides on opposite ends. Like you can flip that, and you had to like this game got modernized by Japanese and they named it after a play by Shakespeare. I want to know the original name of the game X, which later got patented. Question number 5. This creature. Identify this creature. It's a mythical creature. It doesn't exist. Identify this creature. Question number 4. This is a pretty easy question. Roberto Rojas, the goalkeeper of Chile, got banned because he did something. I want to know what was there shown in the video. Roberto Rojas, like it was seen that he was injured real bad by a Brazilian fan who was using fireworks, which could lead Brazil to be penalized from FIFA and they could have been disqualified. But later it was seen in a video and Roberto Rojas was banned permanently. What happened to Rojas? I want the specific answer. Like, what did Rojas do for him to get banned, and for Chile to get banned for 2 World Cups, and he to for the rest of his life? That destroyed his career as well as his coach and his team doctor. What was in the video? A specific significant event that happened. It was really a turning moment for them. Question number 3. This is a pretty easy. Most people use this product every day, but this product, the concept of this product, it was after a kind of thorn-like thing, the burdock. Now, the burdocks had hook-like shapes in this thorn, which got stuck to other surfaces which had loops-like structure, just like clothing, animal fur or hair that has loops on it, and it got easily stuck on them. This led him to design this product, which is used mostly in clothing and other stuff. What is that I'm talking about? Hooks and loops. That's what is it I'm talking about. I'm going to question number 2. This motorcycle bike.
আচ্ছা রিজু একটু থামাচ্ছি।
What?
আচ্ছা, I have an announcement that Afsana Parveen, Avirup Chatterjee, Indranil Das Adhikari, Kaji Ahmed, Malavika Roy, Mayuri Ghosh, Shouris Das, and Tech Gamers. All of you are requested to turn on your camera right now, otherwise we will take steps to disqualify you. Okay, Riju, carry on.
Just turn on the camera, guys. Why go through all the hassle, dude? We are just here to have fun. Just turn on the cameras. There's nothing. These questions are pretty easy that people don't even have to Google for it. Just turn on the cameras. I want to know who owns the company of this motorcycle company. Like, this guy is a beloved Hollywood actor. Everyone loves him. Like, the netizens go crazy for him. Identify this guy. Like, this guy recently uploaded his picture, and everyone in the internet and the Twitter, they got mad and like, yeah, this dude is handsome. I want to know who is this person. He's a pretty famous person and quite known for the works he has done in his entire life. So, with this question, I will give you a few seconds for you to answer this one, and with this, the quiz is over. Like, the questions are over. Okay, so guys, I want you to like send me the answers. Okay, team SIT, send me the answers. Nice.
রিজু
Hmm?
একটু বলে দে কতক্ষণের মধ্যে অ্যানসারটা পাঠাবে ওটা।
It's 6:48, right? So I will accept the answers by 6:50.
Hello, Bhai Riju. My fourth and fifth number is a bit clumsy, okay? So don't mind that.
Yeah, I understood that. I saw it. Cool. Team Blitz.
भाई खत्म हो गया।
हाँ, क्वेश्चन खत्म हो गया, अभी मुझे सिर्फ आंसर चाहिए।
भाई छोड़ सकते हैं, वो तो मेरा नेट खत्म होने वाला है इसलिए।
हाँ, अगर आंसर नहीं देखना है तो तुम्हारा टीम में से दूसरा कोई तो देख ही लेगा ना।
कोई डिस्क्वालीफाई तो नहीं होंगे ना उसमें?
नहीं।
मेरा डेली पैक खत्म हो गया भाई, दुख का बात ये है।
हाँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। बाकी टीम में से कोई है ना?
हाँ, दोनों टीम में से।
हाँ,
आंसर पाঠিয়ে দিয়েছো তো ওই টিম থেকে?
तुम्हारा टीम का नाम क्या है? हेलो,
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन ब्रो, देखना पड़ेगा, रुक जाओ।
आंसर मिल गया तो yes, I can read your handwriting, bro. Don't worry. Yeah, it's pretty clear. It's legible. Okay, I got answers from 3 Minds, from Cocaine, from Blitz, from Trio, from
রিজু 650 কিন্তু অলরেডি। দেখে নিস ওটা, হ্যাঁ।
Kolkata Warriors hasn't sent their answers yet. Who is it? I got answers from RX100. I'll stop taking as long, like as soon as it's 51. Okay, guys, the spelling doesn't matter. Okay, just so that you guys, as long as it totally not depends on the spelling doesn't matter. Team Kolkata Warriors, can you send me in the way where you have written it? Like the authenticity, like you have written down in some paper, all right? Hello? Kolkata Warriors?
না 650 হয়ে গেছে রিজু, আর কিন্তু অ্যালাউ করবি না।
আমি না ওটা বলছি না, কলকাতা ওয়ারিয়র আমাকে পুরো মেসেজে ফরওয়ার্ড করে পাঠিয়েছে, ঠিক আছে? এবার আমার কাছে তো কোনো অথেন্টিক, মানে ওর কাছে কোনো অথেন্টিক নেই না, আমি তো তাই জন্য পেপারটা চেয়েছিলাম। তখন কে যে ওয়ার্ডে জিজ্ঞেস করলাম, তাকে বললাম যে পেপারেরটাই পাঠাতে।
ওটা তুই দেখ ওটা কি করবি, তোর কিছু জানা না, তুই কুইজ মাস্টার কে বলতে পারবি।
ওটা আমি কলকাতা ওয়ারিয়র বলতে পারি, কে কলকাতা ওয়ারিয়র্স থেকে কে? I won't accept it anymore, dude. I just want to. I don't need the fair. I want you, like, I want the exact, the rough work you did. I want to know what you cut down. I want to know everything.
Can we turn off the video now?
So I don't know about that. It depends on the organizers.
Hello, bhai Riju.
Ah,
Riju, will you discuss the answers over here?
yeah, I will discuss. Yeah, right now over here.
So-
Exactly.
We shall continue with the video, right?
Yeah, you should continue with the video.
Okay, thanks.
I just want, like, I want to talk to the Kolkata Warrior team. I don't know. Like, come on, dude. Open your mic and you can speak.
সেটাকে রেসপন্স না হলে অ্যানসার করে দে, ডিসকাস করে দে।
ঠিক আছে, আমি অ্যান্সার ওটা পরে দিচ্ছি, এদের ব্যাপারটা হোল্ডে রাখছি, ঠিক আছে?
তুলতে তো
রিজু,
তুমি কোনো রেসপন্স
রিজু
হুম,
ওটা হোল্ডে রেখে দে এখন।
আমি ওটা হোল্ডে রাখছি, আমি ওটা অঙ্কিতদার সাথে কথা বলে দেবো, ঠিক আছে? অঙ্কিতদার সাথে কথা বলি। I will discuss the answers. Okay, guys, just wait for a few minutes. Let me share the screen. Okay, reply. Okay, you guys can see the screen. Okay, this is the first question. So, like, you guys, like, someone of you can open the mic, and if anyone wants to tell me the answer.
Ratan Tata.
Ratan Tata.
Exactly, Ratan Tata. Like,
जमशेदपुर
people
का है,
got-
तू बोलेगा?
हाँ?
तो कहे जमशेदपुर का नहीं बोलेंगे भाई।
नहीं।
ठीक है, उतना नहीं है, सिर्फ आंसर चाहिए। People got crazy for this picture. Even I was like, dude, come on. Like, who owns this motorcycle company? This
Brad
guy
Pitt.
loves motorcycles. Huh?
Keanu Reeves.
Exactly, Keanu Reeves. Like, he's loved by everyone. He's breathtaking, dude. Now I want to know the product that they use.
Velcro.
Yes.
Velcro.
Yes. What did Roberto Rojas do? I want the specific answer. Okay. Like, not like he injured himself. You can totally guess that from me. He got banned or he injured himself. But how he did that? I want the specific.
He actually self-inflicted himself with a razor blade.
Exactly, with a razor blade. I want that. But also, like, he had the razor blade hidden in his gloves. But still, the razor blade is there. I'll give marks. If it's not there, like, anyone can guess that he self-inflicted that wound. It all depends how, like, what he did. So if anyone has written, like, he inflicted himself, self-inflicted. He like injured himself,
রিজু
so you won't be. Bolo.
ইয়ে কি বলে কলকাতা ওয়ারিয়র চ্যাটে দেখ মেসেজ পাঠিয়েছে যে ওরা অ্যান্সার শিট পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছে, ওদের টাইমটা চেক কর, যদি ওরা ক্লেম
ওরা
করে যে ওরা
অ্যান্সার
যে
শিট
টাইম
পাঠিয়েছে, শোনো, ওরা অ্যান্সার শিট আমাকে কলকাতা ওয়ারিয়ার্স থেকে শুভদীপ বলে কেউ একজন পাঠিয়েছে, ঠিক আছে? ওরা পুরো চ্যাটের মধ্যে একটা আমাকে লাইক, আমি তোমাকে পাঠাচ্ছি, ফরওয়ার্ড করছি, ঠিক আছে?
না না মেসেজ ফরওয়ার্ডটাকে অ্যাজ অ্যান অ্যান্সার নিবি না, যদি স্পেসিফিক নাম্বারের পাশে পাশে
হ্যাঁ, স্পেসিফিক
থাকে?
নাম্বারের পাশে অ্যান্সারটা আছে, বাট আমার কাছে অথেন্টিসিটি
না। ঠিক আছে ওটা পরে চেক করে নিচ্ছি, তুই অ্যান্সারটা ইয়ে করে দে।
হুম। আমি ফেয়ার খাতা বা এইসব চাই না, আমার হাতের লেখা আমি বুঝে না, আমার নিজের হাতের লেখা তো বাজে, আমি ডাক্তারের হাতের লেখা বুঝি, আমার যে অরিজিনাল এটা আছে। Okay, so if anyone has written that he is self-inflicted as those wounds, they won't get the points. Sorry, I'm really sorry, because I wanted to know what he did, like the hidden razor. Because in this question I gave everything you had, like every point you wanted. I just wanted this one, hidden razors. What is this mythical creature? He was slain by Hercules. Orthrus. Yes. This game is like it is named after a Shakespearean the modern.
Reversi and Othello.
Yes, Reversi is the original name. I want that name. And Othello, yeah, it's named after Othello because it was his fight, the Moor and versus the villain, black versus the white. This is pretty easy. Who was in Arjun's chariot as a flag?
Hanuman.
Yes, exactly. I want to know who is this person who was in the Marine Corps, escaped with Y with his prototype suit, and later
War Machine.
yes, War Machine, James Rhodes. War Machine. A pretty easy charm. It is
Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa. Now this popular E-tree that
Partido.
Huh? No, real close, but not. That is the rule, but that was really close. It is Nizams. They introduced it first.
Can you go back to the question?
Yes.
Oh, you asked for the Natori. Fuck.
Yes, it was an E-tree. They popularized. They were the first who invented this food. You know this. They were.
But you were asking about the E-tree, Riju.
Yeah, that's Nizams. This was like.
রিজু এটা কি টাই ব্রেকার
If I
ছিল?
write the full Nizam's Kathi roll, it will be okay, though.
Yeah, the Nizam's Kati rule, the Nizams. I think it was a bit.
এটা কি টাই ব্রেকার ছিল?
देखिए जरा.
হ্যাঁ 10 নম্বর
हाँ, टाई ब्रेकर.
কার্ড ছিল।
আচ্ছা টাই ব্রেকার থাকলে যারা
ওকে না দাঁড়াও, এটা কোশ্চেনটা কিন্তু আমার ভুল না, ঠিক আছে? যারা এটা কোশ্চেনটা পারসিভ করেছে তাদেরকে বলছে ইটরি ইজ এ প্লেস, ওকে, ওয়্যার ইউ ইট, ইটস লাইক এ ক্যাফে অর এ রেস্তোরাঁ। সো Nizam was an eatery. Nizam is still an eatery. So this eatery, they made a new food. I don't want what you are eating. I want the eatery, the where you eat it. It's a restaurant or cafe. Okay. So Kati roll, if I would have asked for what the dish was, it is absolutely Kati roll. But I want the eatery. Like who made it famous? It was Nizam. If like, do you have any other queries, Kaushik? Hello. I'm audible, guys.
Yes.
No, is it okay with everyone? Like those who have any discrepancies with this, they can really come up right now. This is Nizam's. Kati roll was the roll that how they presented the kebab, but it was the eatery that who did that. It was Nizam. I wanted the Nizam. Now going to the next one. Who is this person? Like
Alfred
Michael. Yeah, they all played the role of Alfred Pennyworth.
We have written that they all played the role of Batman's butler. Is it okay?
No, it's okay. I'll look into that. If like most of the people are like people had given the space, so I will look at to that afterwards.
Okay.
It totally depends on people as well. Okay, what is this? What is X?
Fidget spinner.
Yes, fidget spinner. And spelling doesn't matter. I might have written it wrong. Which person? Like everyone loves this guy.
Saurav
Saurabh
Ganguly.
Ganguly.
Saurav Ganguly. It was a pretty easy question, right? Now, whose reincarnation was Jara?
Bali.
Bali, exactly. Ram killed Bali with an arrow hiding from the bush, the same way Krishna got killed by Jara. Okay, this is a pretty easy question. Everyone loves this one.
Cadbury. John Cadbury.
Cadbury and John Cadbury, exactly. Okay, with this the question is over. If anyone still has any query, they can still ask me.
हेलो
কৌশিক। हेलो हाँ সুধি हाँ বলো
हेलो
हाँ তোমাকে কখন
अच्छा আমি yeah actually I send it to you in your WhatsApp okay so it will be okay na actually my handwriting was not good that's why I send it in your WhatsApp
okay
okay so
see,
you just
can you send me that original one please?
okay I am sending you the original okay.
Like see everyone I asked everyone to put their handwritten things so this is something like I want
Okay,
otherwise
I'm
it will
sending
make a point just
yeah,
for
I'm sending it.
authenticity.
Yeah
I hope you don't mind.
yeah I send it in the WhatsApp was not here so hope you will understand
Okay. Yeah, this handwriting like I have worse handwriting than this.
I understand this.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, guys, I do not like. I want you guys to stay in that group and do not leave the WhatsApp group. Cause later by the night or by the first hour of tomorrow's morning, I will send you the results. And you will get participation forms, participation for this quiz. Okay, so do not leave that group. Do not leave that. Okay, with this thing, the quiz is over, guys. Did you guys enjoy it? How were the questions?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Deep. Yeah, we enjoyed the quiz, but actually, again, next time if you will give the MCQ pattern, so that will be okay. I think that will be better. If you will
First of
provide
all, I do not know. It like depends on person to person, and I'm totally not into MCQ things. So, like, I don't know, dude. That's not. I don't think that's most people who do quiz perceive it as quiz. Hello.
Riju,
Huh?
Kaushik here.
हाँ बोल.
Regarding question number 11, the answer of it.
Yeah. Question number 11.
Yeah, you said to connect. So the connect is that they all played the role of Batman's butler. That's what we have written instead of giving the name of the character.
Yeah.
Is that fine?
Yeah, it's okay. Batman butler it is okay. I will say like I think another person also said that same thing. So I think both was it's pretty cool.
Riju Shashank here, I said that.
ओह सच एक ही सा है हम देख रहे हो अगर ज्यादा लोग डिपेंड करते हैं कितना लोग दिया बट ठीक है इट कंसीडर करते हैं इट्स ओके
The connect. You just asked for connect,
okay.
right?
So
So that is
Batman's butler is okay.
okay. Fine.
It's nothing like and you didn't say at least they were actors.
Yeah.
Okay, about that question number that what do you call the Nizam's one? I hope you don't have any problem with that, right, Kaushik?
No, I absolutely agree with that.
I asked for the eatery.
No,
Yeah.
right. Eatery is a place where you can eat a type of restaurant, right?
One of my friend owns a eatery too. That's why I was for a moment I was thrown out. I was like, what is that guy is saying? Did I do something
Yeah.
wrong, some grammatical
In
mistake,
between,
or that will mess up everything?
actually, in the middle of the paragraph, it rather described more about the dish.
Yeah, I
that they
want.
used to.
Yeah, I like see. It is
That's what we got
popularized in
confused with.
Kolkata. Like people use kebabs and hot kati roll. It's a kebab wrapped around the 90s, 30s. The babus they didn't want to touch the kebab they wanted, so they wrapped it in paratha, right? So that was all the guesswork that people can do, so that they can work out what the answer is. You might not know, but you might know what kind of kebab. Like many people in Kolkata, they eat kebab. So
Yeah.
that is like, and people who into history and foods, they know what like what kind of like, we also know like how Lady Kenny or the Pantua or Gulab Jamun, they came in Kolkata, right? From frying rasgullas and stuff, like they wanted to make new food. So it's about food history. So describing the food, you might know who did that first. Okay, so with this, you can leave. Like the quiz is over, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it.
Okay.
Hmm. সবাই বেরিয়ে গেছে?
কিছু জন আছে। দুটো আছে বাইরে।
জানি না কারা কারা বল।
ওই তো সৌরিশ দাস আর সুতানুকা আর ডে।
আচ্ছা, ওদের যেন খারাপ না লাগে যে শেষ হয়ে গেছে আর
না না ঠিক আছে, ওরা লিভ করে গেল, ঠিক আছে ওরা লিভ করুক, আমরা তো ওয়েট করছি, ওরা যখন ইচ্ছে লিভ করুক।
তুই ভিডিও রেকর্ডিং অফ করতে পারিস। আমি চমকে গেছি ওখানে যখন বলেছিলাম, আমি কি ইংলিশটা ভুল লিখলাম ভাই, ওটা যেন পুরো